This is going to be a great video. I want to go... Oh, God damn it. Good morning, guys. Hope you're all doing well. This is going to be a great video. I want to show you guys my home and my morning routine. Now, believe it or not, my morning actually doesn't start here. It starts in the water, getting cold. I like to start every morning by measuring the size of my balls. Woo! Small today, boy. Now, this is, it's cold is what it is, but it's a lot of gratitude here. And getting a little bit humbled. And then slowly getting warm again back in the gym. Once I'm done in the gym, I go over and forage my breakfast, which consists of apples and whatever blueberries I can find. And these ones, they're called kruisbär. There's bonus points if you know what that's called in English. You can leave your little translation in the comment section below. Last but not least, some rhubarbs. Right, so now that most of the people have clicked off this video, you guys might want to stick around. I'm going to give you an opportunity to win this microphone, the one I'm using right now and that you've seen me used all day. We've used it on adventures. This is the Lark Max from Holy Land. I think it's a perfect mic. You can use it for YouTube videos like I'm doing right now. Or if you want to start a podcast, this is a great opportunity to do it. So stick around and I'll figure out a way to give this to you. Now, this is an oven and it's just going to be a review coming up. So I just want to get the hype going. You can see if you can figure out how that works. We'll get into it though. Right, so next up, we got two of my proudest achievements. Number one, this dirt pile right here. This took a lot of effort to get it this size. And a lot of mistakes, but we're gonna sort it out. I'll show you guys in the upcoming videos. The second thing is this thing right here. This is probably the best thing I ever bought in my life, and I'm talking about this thing right here. Just an old oil drum. Drill some holes in that, and then you can just burn pretty much everything. You know, don't plastic, don't do those things, but the rest you get it. So next up, we got these two trees right here. This is a plum tree or a cherry tree and a plum tree. They don't look much to the world right now, but I'm sure they're gonna grow up and be really cool. We actually moved these two from way over there. That was a blast, just digging a hole right here. You don't see it, but there's a big rock here that we had to dig up. Now this is heavy. It was very interesting trying to move that thing. So I'm blessed with a lot of berries in my garden, and I want to expand on that. I want to expand my berry production. Those are called smultron in Swedish. And then here, it looks like a failure right now, but it was okay for the beginning, and then it became a failure. I got tomato plants and we tried to sow some other stuff. We got some grass onion right here, but it's a lot of shit. And we grew potatoes and stuff here, and onions, or garlic it was. So this is now being disassembled for the year. And then next, or during this year, we're gonna build raised beds that are going to be more in tune with the watering system, if that makes sense to anybody. I'm going to show you guys how we're going to do. So this is just the beginning, right? And as you've seen, we got apple trees. So I got one, and then I got the other one right here. Just grab this guy right here. And then we got another older plum tree here. I had to cut it down because it's been split up here, so I'm trying to do what I can to save it. And then we got the third and final apple tree right here. A lot of apples. This is the after party of my raspberries. We saw the blueberries here before. Kursbär. More Kursbär. Red wineberries. I don't know what they're called. And then black wineberries. And then this is björnbär. Keep on forgetting the name for that. We're gonna clean this one up, and same thing here. We're gonna put new raised beds, and we're gonna move all the strawberries from this one over this way, so they can all fit and have a new nice home. And then here in this spot, it doesn't look much to the world now. There was a pair of roses just like these ones. These are I removed those, and I'm gonna put this one there. And this is a lemon tree. We'll see what we do with that. It's still sweetened, so it doesn't like the winter. This is the gym. You saw it before. I wrote to the guys at Oak Equipment. They decided to help me out a little bit, so they hooked me up with all this stuff for a discounted price. I would say I was not sponsored, but I got a good discount. Then we just set everything up and build a bat cave according to my plans. I love it in here, and it's a great way to just, you know, deal with your emotions and stuff. And yeah, we're definitely gonna film more of that stuff. Now, down here, it doesn't look much to the world at the moment, but this is where I collect my toads. This is where they tend to come down and hang out for a while, and then I end up saving them. So there's a lot of animals out here. I've seen fox, deer, hare, rabbits, everything in between. And there's a lot of lizards, toads obviously, the occasional mole, and a lot of mice. But then you've got really cool birds, bigger birds that will chase all of them. And if you just stick around, you can really see what's happening in the background and how nature is just doing its thing, and it's quite amazing to get that view. Then another room that doesn't look much to the world right now. This is the basement. So this is where I'm thinking about putting all my hiking gear. See if it's enough though. All right, so that's everything that I wanted to show you guys for now. If you have any ideas, any tips, or just want to send help in general, please do. I really appreciate it, and I need it, especially everyone in the comment section. Big shout out. Yeah, if you have any ideas of what I could do in terms of growing, I love berries, I love potatoes, and growing your own stuff, being a little bit self-sufficient. We're going to look into that a little bit more. But yeah, if there's anything else you guys want to see, or you have any tips for me, please do not hesitate to write it in the comment section, or just write me on my email or whatever. But thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.